So this is my take on how to show you step by step on how I take apart my washer. So first part, I'm gonna pop that off. It's gonna seem like it's stuck, but it's not. You just have to yank it pretty hard and it'll come right off. Second part, there's this in here. This also pops right out. And this has a little seal right here. Oh my gosh. To help seal that, so when it's in there, it's not gonna get water onto your bolt. So this next part right here, after I took off that cover, it's gonna have that bolt there in the middle. You're gonna grab your ratchet set. I'm using a size 12 to grab this middle piece out right here. This little bolt. You just pop it up to get it with this little bolt right here to come up. And then I'm gonna flip this upside down to catch, so I don't lose anything. Here's this piece. And there's that piece right there. And you're gonna take this ring off right here. And then this very last piece will pop off. Bring it back. Put that one. Put this one back on. Go ahead and put this back in here like that. When you're done cleaning. And then there you go. So we're gonna reverse all of that, screw that back on, put this seal back in here, and then this will go back on top.